Hello. This video is going to be how to replace AC clutch. We have a bolt number 8, the plate for the AC clutch, and also look for the washers or spacers. And I'm going to take this snap ring right here, the snap, and I'm going to use this tool and this is the pulley for the AC clutch, and I'm going to take out another snap ring, and right here is the other snap ring. I'm going to lose this screw, and this is the AC magnet, and is how you replace the AC clutch. And the only thing you need to do, you need to put everything back: snap ring, pulley, the snap ring, and the last plate for the AC clutch, and your bolt and your spacers. Thank you and bye.